Zooming, what will be the workload per unit? And what I mean is, how many hours do you expect students to study, and how many problems should students expect per unit?
That's a wonderful question. Time-wise, workload is, we designed it have about 6 hours in our mind. This 6 hours break down into three components. One is somewhere in between 1 and 2 hours, students should work with us through those teaching videos. And then they should spend about an hour working with us through the review videos. So those are the 2.5 hours on average. And then I think they should spend about three and a half hours to work on their homework independently. So that's how I calculate to about 6 hours for 2-week long period.
I see, that makes sense.
Yeah. And then answering your question about homework numbers. Well, that varies from course to course. The higher level courses, because the problems are harder, takes much longer time, they will have less amount of problems in their handouts. The easier level courses will have more. For example, in PCX, our goal is capped it by 25 to 30 problems. They come from different topics. And in particular, in our teaching and reviewing videos, we will cover to a certain part of it. I would say about 30–40%, right?
Of the material.
Of the materials. So what left for them to do is about 60% of our handouts. So if you use calculation, if you have 25 problems total, that means 25 times 60%, that's about 15 problems for them to do, right? Or if it's 30, there will be a little bit more. But anyway, I would say that for entry-level courses, the number of homework problems they should work on in between these 2 weeks is between 15 to 20. And for higher level courses, I think our RP1 and RP2 courses, maybe we give them a total of 10 problems.
Yes.
And that will take a, equal amount of time for them to think, or maybe even more.
Probably more.
Yeah. Right? Okay.